was the first emperor of India? Chandragupta Maurya. Who composed the epic Mahabharata? Vyasa. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. What was the capital of the Chola dynasty? Tanjavur. Who was the last Governor-General of independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. In which year did India gain independence from British rule? 1947. Who was the founder of the Sikh religion? Guru Nanak. Which Indian freedom fighter is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What was the ancient Indian city famous for its planned layout and drainage system? Harappa. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi? Rajia Sultan. Which dynasty did Ashoka the Great belong to? Maurya dynasty. Who was known as the Tiger of Mysore? Tippu Sultan. Which ancient Indian scholar is known for writing the Arthashastra? Kautilya. What was the original name of Swami Vivekananda? Narendranath Datta. Which Indian leader is known for his role in the Salt March? Mahatma Gandhi. In which year did the Indian National Congress form? 1885. Which Indian king was known for his naval expeditions and expansion of his kingdom overseas? Chola Emperor Rajendra Chola I. Who was the founder of the Maratha Empire? Shivaji Maharaj. Which battle in 1757 marked the beginning of British rule in India? Battle of Plassey. Who was the first president of independent India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India? Babur. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942 calling for an end to British rule in India? Quit India Movement. Which Indian freedom fighter is also known as the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Who wrote the Indian national anthem, Jana Gana Mana? Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. Which ancient Indian university was considered one of the earliest and greatest universities in the world? Nalanda University. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore for literature. What is the oldest Veda in Indian history? Rig Veda. Which Indian state was known as Kalinga in ancient times? Odisha. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? Bahadur Shah II. Which Indian social reformer founded the Brahmo Samaj in 1828? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Which freedom fighter gave the slogan, Inquilab Jindabad? Bhagat Singh. Which Indian was the first to become the Governor-General of independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1930 to protest against the salt tax imposed by the British? The Salt March. Which historical event took place in 1857 that is considered the first war of Indian independence? The Sepoy Mutiny. Who composed the famous patriotic song, Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort in Delhi? Shah Jahan. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Which Indian leader is known for his contribution to the concept of nonviolence and satyagraha? Mahatma Gandhi. What was the ancient name of the region that is now modern-day Punjab and Haryana? Sapta Sindhu. Which Indian leader is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What was the capital of the Pandya dynasty? Madurai. Which Indian freedom fighter was popularly known as Netaji? Subhas Chandra Bose. Who was the first Governor-General of Bengal? Warren Hastings. Which Indian ruler fought against Alexander the Great in the Battle of Hydaspes? King Porus. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Dadabhai Naoroji. Which movement, initiated by Mahatma Gandhi, called for the British to leave India immediately? Quit India Movement. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which ancient Indian physician is known for his contributions to Ayurveda and writing the Sushruta Sanhita? Sushruta. What was the official language of the Gupta Empire? Sanskrit. Who was the first Indian woman to become the chief minister of a state? Sucheta Kriplani. Who founded the city of Kolkata? Job Charnock. Who was the first Indian astronaut to travel in space? Rakesh Sharma. Which ancient Indian text is known as the Science of Architecture and is considered one of the earliest treatises on architecture? Vastu Shastra. Which freedom fighter led the salt satyagraha in Tamil Nadu? C. Rajgopalachari. Who wrote the book Hind Swaraj, which outlines the concept of Indian self-rule? Mahatma Gandhi. Which dynasty built the famous Brihadiswarar temple in Tanjavur? The Chola dynasty. Which British Act was introduced in 1919 to curb the civil liberties of Indians and led to widespread protests? The Rowlatt Act.